Say hello to the one and only all-in-one Shopify app to boost your store's sales. iCart Cart Drawer Cart Upsell is made to increase the profit of your Shopify store. Start customizing your cart drawer and full cart with a bunch of amazing widgets. Show non-annoying upsell and cross-sell products inside the cart drawer and full cart with exciting offers. Give product bundles to your customers based on their purchases. Delight your customers with multiple discounts. Encourage your customers to buy more with the progress bar. It's not the end. There are many more widgets like birthday collector, survey form, custom HTML, image with text. Moreover, iCart comes with advanced analytics to track the app's performance on your store. More than 9,000 stores have been using iCart from different parts of the world. And the best thing about iCart is that you will get end-to-end technical support from our team after installation.